tick-tock, the clock starts. Ready, set, go. Vacays are on their way. Must get those guest towels. Minding my way. Here's my secret that will help all of you that try to make your guest towels hanging look fresh and brand new. It's 1, 2, 3, and woo! Fold them, clip them, and put them in the nest until you need them to be their best. Show days here, so place them on your display rack. Clips and all, and don't look back while you're busy as bee preparing your Airbnb. Towel minder will do the rest, and towels will look their best. My secret out, now you see. Towel minder helps you to be the best super host you can be.
Towel Minder is available now on Amazon. This reusable set of 8 clips comes complete with a soft, handy wristband. It's all yours for just $24.99 plus shipping. But shipping is free for all you Amazon Prime members.